Hello dear friend, let's go through our three most favorite features and improvements inside DaVinci Resolve 20.1 updates. These are new feature improvements are very important for us, and these are the game changing features which I like. Maybe these features will be very useful for you. That's why don't miss any part of the video, dear friend. Listen this video without missing any part of the video. We will go through all the parameter settings of these new features and improvements. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Your one subscription gives me a lots of motivation to make more creative tutorial for you, dear friend. Without wasting time, let's jump into our PC inside the DaVinci Resolve 20.1 here to go through all these new features and improvement. New feature is about the keyboard shortcuts for search effects. Now let's see how it works. Before this update, we had only in Fusion page this feature. For example, Shift plus space bar, just click and you can add anything. For example, I want to add this mirror. Add. Now you can add here mirror. You see here mirror effect. Now we have such features in every page, in color page, in highlights page, in edit page, cut page. Now we can use. Let's see how it works. Come here, you see here in corner. In corner, just click here. You see keyboard shortcut. Control Alt K. Just click here and you have to just click to your default DaVinci Resolve keyboard shortcut. Then it will work. If you click here your custom keyboard shortcut, then it will not work. I have already clicked here. Just click here now and close now. No anywhere. If you want to anything, it will work very perfectly. Position here. Hello dear friend. If this DaVinci Resolve update tutorial is helpful to you, adds value to your life, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Nowadays I am working hard, dear friend. We have to achieve 1000 subscribers this year. Without your help, your moral assistance, it can't be possible. I am very much tired. Just favor me. Consider me, dear friend. Even you can share this channel to those friends who are actually in the need of such type of tutorial. This tutorial will be very useful to your friends. Without wasting time, let's jump into our next feature of DaVinci Resolve update here. For example, Shift plus space bar. Now I just click here transition. I want to add transitions. You see all the effect, all transitions are available here. I want to add these transitions. So you can see very easily I have added transition here. See all the effects of Fusion. You see, if you want to add text here, very easily it will appear here. Just write here Shift plus space bar and type here text. You see we have basic text here and it has appeared here. You see here. And now I can type anything so easily and we can change color. It is here. You see here. So it's a very cool feature and very helpful when you have long project. If you want to add anything, so it will work very perfectly. I use these features. I am so happy. It saves me a lots of time. Anything, for example, I want a hair, any effect here. Even we can add effect Shift plus and you can type here any effect. For example, you see I want to add this here invert color and you see it has appeared. It has inverted my color. So it's a very useful, dear friend. You must try this feature. Now let's see the next new feature is also keyboard shortcut for mouse pointer. Now you see we don't need to drag our timeline playhead anywhere. I want to put my playhead here at this point and just click C on your keyboard. No, it's C. You see here C. Just click C and it will appear. I don't need to drag my playhead. It's very painful. I want to just put my playhead here on this photo. I will just click and just press C on your keyboard. You see we have reached here. So anytime Control Alt K, press and come here. Just click application here and here just type mouse pointer here. You see playback. Now you can change your keyboard shortcut from here. I don't want, I need only this default. So you can change anytime. And it's in the same way, search effect. Type here search effect. You see now we have search effect here, Shift plus space bar, but you can directly add other your own custom keyboard shortcut. I use this default only. So these two features are game changing features in DaVinci Resolve new update here. Our next cool new feature is about the enhancement and new features added to multi-text. You know multi-text has already been added to DaVinci Resolve, but there are some new features added to this multi-text. We just click here, you see here we have multi-text in title. Just drag multi-text here to our timeline here. Okay, and now you can see we have multi-text. We can add multi-text. We have already tutorial. Go to our playlist, you can see and learn all the details about multi-text. But now we just see here how to customize a special letters. You can decrease, increase the font size here. For let's see how it works. So we have here text here. I just type here the name of our channel, Resolve for You. Let's see how it works. Now first, before this, you see here we have all properties here. You have to switch on fusion overlay here. Just click. Now we have fusion overlay and we can select anything here. Just click here. I want to select this only for this for you. Resolve for You is our YouTube channel, and for you I want to change this for you. We have selected here. You can see here. Here is this line, green line here. We have selected here, and now come here to color. I want to add some red color here. Okay, you see we have red color, and we want to decrease font size here. You see here, just you can see it's our color is bigger here, and now we can add here font. We want to use this font here. You see old English text empty. So you can see in the unique way we have customized only some portion of our letter. In the same way, if you want to customize here this part here, just click here RE, and we want to change this color here. You see something like this. We can check this color. Okay, so you can see we have unique color, and we want to add font size something. You see here extra bold italic here, and you can take this any font you can choose from here. So dear friend, try this new features. It's actually very good feature for multi-text, and there is also new feature in multi-text. Now in multi-text you can export CSV. You see here CSV file. If you have CSV file for your text, just click here on your computer and directly you can open, and you can use here for multi-text here. So these are the new features. You can customize any letter inside a multi-text here, and you can add several, and you can add, you see here, you can add more text here. This is the from our last update, DaVinci. Okay, here you can add round text. I just type here, type tutorial for you. Okay, and we can change color here, and you can anytime customize. Just take fusion here, overlay. You see we have selected here, and we want to add some this color. Okay, these are our most important features in DaVinci Resolve new update. I will add more new features in coming days. We have some important update about color page, dear friends, Fairlight page on YouTube. In details, there are very few tutorials available in details about these updates. I have listened the videos of lots of creators, but they just explain in very short, no detail about all this update, dear friend. But this update is a very important for us. Try all new features and tell me which features you like most, which feature is very useful for your daily productivity work. Don't forget to subscribe the channels. We meet in the next class. Take care. Bye.